right. When you think about a brand protection and trade disputes, the largest number, if you see in intellectual property, all 8 types, largest number of cases you will find in this particular area, right. And we know that without protection also, that is a passing off and infringement, these 2 types of cases high courts are handling, and the number is a huge regarding this particular like brand protection and trademark disputes. Now, frequently these are arise like for the obviously wherever the brand recognition and consumer trusts are very paramount, because this is the base, this is the heart of the business actually, and companies litigate to protect their trademarks from infringement, for counterfeiting, from dilution. Okay. And these are the different areas. Counterfeiting is a very different way of like this how to handle that. Dilution is a different domain, we can say, or this how the dilution is damaging the brand, that is a very different study. Infringement is there, right.